This next video is going to show you how you can disable notifications on your Windows 11. Now this is especially useful when you are trying to do something on your Windows, probably like I'm creating a video like this and I wouldn't want any form of interruption in terms of notifications popping up on my screen when I'm recording a video. So here is how you can disable notifications on your Windows 11 PC. And to get started, just come to the search box right here, and then you'd want to key in notifications and click on enter, and that should take you directly to notifications tab on the system settings. So from here you'd see notifications just on the top of the fold. Just click on that. So you can actually try to modify your notification settings, and if you would instead want to just disable it, just click on this button and click on off. So guys, that's how to go about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.